It's when we flew in, yeah.
Look at that torpedo!
Yeah, so it is different in that we don't have a tail rotor. Helicopters, that what a tail rotor does, it's an anti-rotor, it goes down.
So there's a squadron out here and they have that one. So this
Oh yeah. Where'd he go? I lost it. Oh!
Did you see he was like not moving for a second?
Yeah.
I played War Thunder 2 months. Yes. No.
I'd love to start that.
You heard this one? Yeah. But it looked like he was gonna crash. Like,
That's so cool.
didn't these used? Oh yeah, they still do it too. These are. Are you based? That might be.
Oh my goodness gracious, this thing is huge. Wait, can you sit in that? Oh, you better be able to sit in that. That's one of my favorites. That was very loud.
California, there's another air show out there this weekend. They're doing a fly through to that air show as well.
Why does it look like he's not flying down the runway? I don't think he is. But he is kind of pulling up.
December 7th, 1941. Imagine that you're there that fateful morning. It was a peaceful Sunday over 80 years ago at Pearl Harbor and Hickam Field on the Hawaiian island of Oahu. Our entire naval base.
Look at this one. Look at this one coming around.
Anchored peacefully within the confines of the harbor. To experience the roar of engines, you can hear them now. The sound of bombs as the Imperial Japanese Navy sends the first wave of 189 fighters and bombers. Japanese Captain Fushida. The surprise was so complete that the good success signal Tora, Tora, Tora was sent back to the carrier task force before the first bomb fell. The single remote radar station had spotted the incoming raiders, but mistook them for a flight of B-17s due in from the mainland. The B-17s arrived and, like America itself, find themselves in a war that had not been declared. The attack from the Japanese aircraft carriers Akagi, Hiryu, Soryu, and two new carriers, the Shogaku and Suigaku, lasts a little over 2 gruesome hours. And you're there. We've taken you back to that fateful day. When the first bombs began to fall, pilots all over the island jumped into action and threw their field, and then none of the rest was left. Woke to the sound of bombs, jumped out of his bed, strapped on a 45-caliber pistol over his purple pajamas, ran to a working, took off to engage the attacking Japanese.
It's too bad they couldn't get a P-40 out here.
Louis Sanders, Gary Brown, Gordon Sturdy, and Malcolm Mike Moore managed to shoot down a few of the Japanese Zeros, Vals, and Ds, but the enemy numbers were overwhelming.
I bet that's so
The
fun.
first wave of 183 Japanese Zeros, Vals, and Gates hammered Hawaii for over an hour and 40 minutes. Then came the second wave of 177 airplanes to continue the strafing and bombing. Another 120 minutes, a total of 360 enemy warplanes. As the attack proceeded from Harbor and Eagle Field, eastern edge of Fort Island, in the center of the harbor, between 7 of our battleships lay at berth. The California, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Tennessee, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Utah, and the Arizona. The Japanese hit first with Cape torpedo bombers. The initial wave of Cates hit the Oklahoma, California, Guyana, West Virginia, and the Utah. These Cates were equipped with special shallow-going torpedoes designed specifically for the attack on Pearl Harbor.
He actually
Would
dropped
not allow the use of normal deep-running torpedoes. Then came the bow dive bombers, armed with 1,700-pound armed Arizona. The aircraft fire veered the valves away from Nevada on the first wave, but the Arizona wasn't that lucky. A bomb from a Cape bomber stabbed the Arizona through her forward magazine and exploded.
You can feel that one. Holy cow, you can feel the heat from that one. What? Oh! Yo! Oh, it's gonna be so loud. Oh god.
This is a 3-stage compressor.
Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming in from your left, the F-35A Block 2.
Oh gosh. Here we go. Yes, he's landing vertically. What?
$38 for a pizza. Do what?
all bigger.
Our ears are so cooked. Bro, we should pop some of those earmuffs. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh yeah, our ears are cooked. They're cooked. I'm probably gonna be deaf whenever I get home, and my mom's gonna talk to me and get mad at me because I'm not listening to her. This is the last one yet, bro. Bro, he going way up there. You can't even see him on camera no more. Oh my gosh, what's bro doing? What's he doing? He's still